Hello everyone, so let's dive into today's weekly outlook. And if you can see, the last week we have formed the inside candle. Okay, this is the inside candle. So generally, if you see an inside candle is formed, we can expect expansion because inside candle shows us that in the lower time frame we are into consolidation. So after consolidation, according to the ICT elements of a trade setup, we can have expansion. Okay, so the only thing that matter is now is to understand where the expansion is likely to occur. Okay, so in weekly time frame it's not pretty much clear that either we are bullish or bearish. It's neutral. But if you can go to the lower time frame like 2-day time frame, so I can clearly see that there are many candles which is formed inside this candle, right? So it's also inside candle consolidation in the 2-day time frame, and we have the untapped order block which have not been tapped yet. So I can expect that the bias has not changed yet, but we can expect some retracement down to this weekly 2-day order block, then rally higher, at least till the from this order block to this range high. So that would be the idea in the DXY. And the ultimate down liquidity would be this April month high as well as the last year October month high. But we can see retracement, keeping in mind the next daily candle which is formed. It was a bearish candle. So I would like to see there are two possibilities here. Okay, there are two possibilities here in according to daily time frame, that if price closes above this candle high, like if I'll wait in the next week, and if price closes above this candle high, right? So this candle becomes the order block for me. All right. So if it becomes the order block, then I will not wait for price to reach here, right? So there is no sense for price to come back here and again then move higher. No, that doesn't make sense to me. So I'll be waiting. I'll be looking for if price closes above this candle high, then this becomes the order block, and probably if the candle closes inside this candle, that invalidates the bearish order block and also creates the bullish order block. So at the same time we are creating a bullish order block, as well as we are disrespecting a bearish order block. So now the next move, now this candle will be responsible for pushing the price higher to these highs. That would be the idea. Okay, and if this thing doesn't happen, then what I will do, I will wait for the next candle to close below this candle low, right? Now this candle will act as an order block, and I can use this candle to push the price lower down to the 2-day order block. So that would be the idea, and pretty much the bias is not clear as of now, but we'll wait for few candles to confirm our bias, right? We are inside this daily favorable gap, but we have to see what price has to offer in the next week. Probably in my mind the bias will be bullish, right? But I have to wait and watch. Okay, I wait for more candles to form, then only I can take the better decision, right? So let's go to the next. Let's go to the Euro USD. What do we have in Euro USD? In Euro USD, we saw that in let's go to this CME futures Euro chart. Okay, it will clear your bias. So in this future chart, you can see that this candle low is already taken out. Keeping in mind this 3 candle is inside candle inside this huge candle, so the ideal target would be this candle high, right? But if you go and see this Euro USD chart, so that low is not taken out, right? So I will think in this way, that in future chart it is already taken out. So the price may not come to this place, right? So the ideal target will be this high. Okay, so that would be my my bias. Let's go to 2-day time frame. In 2-day, yeah, we have respected this bullish favorable gap. We have failed to close below this candle low. So yeah, what I can expect, that this will be my drawn liquidity. Okay, and we have already closed above this 2 down closed candle above it. So, and we already formed a bullish favorable gap. Okay, so this fair value gap will help us to move prices higher till this high. And when my idea get invalidated, I can't be right all the time, right? So where is my invalidation? The invalidation will be if the next candle closes below this candle low. I'm talking about this week low. Okay, if it closes below this candle low, then my idea got invalidated, and I will my bias got changed, and I will look for a price to move lower, right? So yeah, so this order block is already been tapped. So yeah, if it is coming again it has order block, so it makes this order block a weaker order block. Yeah, but according to right now the situation, if you right now we can say that the bias is bullish till this high. Okay, DXY as well. So DXY have already shared my plan. So according to DXY, we will also plan the EUR USD trade. GBP USD, it looks bearish, but DXY looks bearish. So yeah, so this will be not a good pair to trade in the next week. So I'll avoid trading GBP USD. Now let's come back to the one more pair, that is AUD USD. It is looking good for me right now. So it's pretty much clear. If you go to the weekly time frame, in weekly time frame we are fully rebalanced this, almost fully rebalanced this imbalance. So what we can do, we can target this previous week high as well as March month high, right? But the daily order block, this daily order block will help us to expand, move the price higher. If you go to the lower time frame, in 4 hour time frame, we have let's go to daily and let me mark out the order block. Okay, so we have the order block here. We have the order block here. This is the high priority order block, right? Because this low is my intermediate term low. You guys know this is the intermediate term low. So that makes this order block as a high priority order block, right? So if this is a high priority order block and this low should not get breached, right? It should remain intact until this high is taken out, right? So the idea will be price to tap this order block. It is already tapped, so I will expect price to expand from here to target this high, right? That would be the idea. But let's see what price has to offer on Monday. Most probably we can react from this fair value gap inside the order block, right? Inside the order block, and we can target this relative equal highs. So AUD USD will be I'll be keeping eye on AUD USD. NZD I will not be trading this pair. So only AUD USD and EUR USD, it's a good pair to trade, and USD CAD as well. USD CAD is not look. I can clearly form a bias in USD CAD, so I'll be avoiding this pair to participate. And BTC as well. BTC, the plan was to for price to expand from this order block. It has done, but immediately it has closed below this candle low. So right now the bias is 50-50. I can say right now whether we are moving higher or lower. So I'll avoid this pair as of now, BTC USD. And yeah, let's come back to the gold. The gold is looking good for me, so I'll be expecting price to, as we have already tapped this weekly fair value gap, and we have failed to close below this candle low, so we can expect the price to at least take out this weekly high as well as this candle high, real month high. So we have this daily order block as well as we have the daily fair value gap. So we can expect price to expand from this daily fair value gap. Okay, and we have the if you go to 4 hour, so this daily fair value gap has also a 4 hour fair value gap. So if you can use the fib to mark, so it is coming right at the 50% of this range. Okay, so that makes this order fair value gap a high priority fair value gap. Let's go to the 12 hour. 12 hour we also have the fair value gap, and daily we also have the fair value gap, and 4 hour we also have the fair value gap. In all the time frame we have the fair value gap, as well as if you go to the daily, we also have the order block opening price, order block as well. Okay, so we have the order block opening price as well. So that makes this trade a high priority trade. So we can target from this to this, right, this handle high, and maybe we will wait for Monday range to form, and then try sweeping out the Monday range and targeting this high. So that is the bias. The bias is bullish for dollar. So if dollar is bullish, then euro can be bullish and DXY can be bearish. Alright, that's all. Let's go to the USD JPY. USD JPY, it's very difficult to trade USD JPY because it doesn't move the way you want to see. It totally depends upon the yen futures. Okay. Yeah. So if yen futures, so I can wait for price to fully close below this, then we'll participate. So I love AUD USD JPY as well. So AUD USD, Euro USD, as well as gold. These are the three pair in my mind. So I'll be looking for trade only in this three pair, and in GBP I will participate only when price closes above this fair value gap. Okay, then only I will participate, else I will avoid trading this pair. And let's go to the Indian market, Nifty futures. Okay, so in Nifty, okay, so the Nifty, let's start from the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, yeah, so the target is already met. We planned that we can take out this low, so the target is already met. Now in weekly, we have closed below this candle low, that makes this an order block. Okay, and yeah, so this relative equal lows can be my next target in weekly time frame. In monthly, we have the fair value gap, so at least we can expect price to retrace to this monthly fair value gap. So the biases will be still bearish. We can see some short term bounce, but that's okay, the bias will remain bearish. Okay, and we also have the daily fair value gap at the weekly order block. So what we can expect? We can expect price to retrace till this daily fair value gap and can target this equal lows. So that would be my bias for Nifty futures. Right, the bias is bearish, retracement to this daily fair value gap, then we will wait for change in sector delivery and we can target this relative equal lows until we have reached this fair value, the monthly fair value gap. So we can keep on sorting until we have reached this monthly fair value gap. That will be my draw. Right, so that's all. And Bitcoin we have discussed. Right now we can say this dump clearly shows that we are not bullish yet, but we will wait and watch. We will wait for more confirmation, then only we will participate. DXY already told the bias, Euro USD. Yeah, so probably I have completed all the pairs. So that's all. Hope you have enjoyed the video and you have learned so much from it. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you in the next video.